Today, let's follow the camera to view the production workshop of Besure technology. This is the assembly workshop too. Mainly production the equipment such as cup capping machines, tableware machines, and boutique packaging machines. These row are cup capping machines. Besure's cup capping machines have a high global reputation. Those equipments being installed are the tableware machines. Look at that shape. It should be the new fully automatic tableware machine we pushed in the previous two videos. This is our assembly workshop 3. This workshop is also mainly production the equipment such as cup capping machines, tableware machines, and high-quality label packaging machines. Sometimes we also produce egg box labeling machines and printing machines. In the next phase, we will enter other workshops of Besure. Visit more about the Besure factory. We also welcome you to visit our factory on site.